Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. To help us maintain consistency, we can build dynamic formulas to track the status and the scheduling dates for our videos. Suppose we want to know instantly how many videos we have that are planned or in progress. Before we build the formula, let's create a drop-down list. On the Data tab, click on Data Validation. Type the list in this box here. And then in this cell, we just want to know how many videos are in progress. Start with the COUNTIF function. And for the range, when we drag our mouse across the column, we see that Excel uses the table name and the column name inside a pair of square brackets. And this is the beauty of Excel tables. The table column will automatically expand as we enter new rows. The criteria that we're looking for is any rows that match this cell here, Content creators need to consider the length of each video title. We can build a formula to keep an eye on things for us. The len function will count the number of characters contained in a cell. We can point to this cell here. 26 characters is fine, but we want to know the length of the longest title in the hub. So we can wrap the max function around this formula. And we don't want the length of just this cell, but rather the length of each cell in the table column. And the max function will calculate whichever cell is the longest. Here's a very important question. Assuming that we post videos once a week, what is the publishing date for our next video? We need a formula that will look inside of this column, determine which is the most recent, and then add 7 days on top of that. Start with the max function, type the name of our table, open square bracket, choose the column that we want to look in, press tab to select it, close the square bracket, close the round bracket for the max function, and whichever date is the max or the highest, which in this instance equates to the most recent, whichever of those dates is the most recent, we want to add 7 to that. And this will equate to 7 days. So if video number 7 gets published on this date, then the next publishing date will refresh.